everybody, it is Blue Bear back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be introducing another presenter in our playlist. Da, da, da. Had Blue Bear, we've had me and you, but there's one more presenter we can add. Well, that's what Dave said anyway. And here he is. Hello everybody. I'm the dad of the monkeys. The little monkeys. Yeah. Hello, Sonny. How you doing, Jim? I'm not called Jim. He likes to say that. I'm really not called Jim though. He doesn't know his own name. I'm not called Jim. You don't know your own son's name. What a nutter. What a plunkhead. Doesn't know his own name. You're Jim. I'm not called Jim. I'm called Max. No, you're not. You're called Monkey. So I'm not called Jim. I mean, oh yeah, you're called Monkey. Monkey. Anyway, thank you for watching this monkey video. Back with another monkey video. Goodbye.